Okay, Livy, ready to sing your Cherry Bomb song?
Hello, Dad. Hello, Mom. I'm a cherry bomb.
Woohoo! Do you know any other songs?
No.
What about your flag song?
Hello. No, not that one.
The one where you get older.
When I get older, I'll be stronger. Just call me a wave it like it, then it goes back, and then it goes back.
That was awesome. Come here. Come over here. Do you know any songs about riders and stuff and storms?
Riders on the storm. Riders on the go.
Riders on the go. You're silly. Hey, Sam, where's the cheeseburger picnic? Can you sing a song to Mommy?
Okay.
Oh, are you singing Wheels on the Bus? Sammy. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through
Down.
Hey, Olivia, come over here where Mommy can see you. I need you to sing some bus tunes. Ready? I have nobody here. Nobody here but my hand. You ready? What does the driver on the bus say?
Move on then.
You silly goat. The driver on the bus says,
Go, go, go.
no, he doesn't say goat, goat, goat. I think he says, driver on the bus says, cheeseburger picnic time. What does he say?
I think the driver on the bus says, go, go, go.
Of course you do. And he probably says bonky, too. Hey, guy. What does the driver on the bus say?
Go, go, go.
The driver on the bus says, move on back. Move on back.
No.
Move on
Go,
back.
Go, go, go.
Hey, Sammy, you sing some ABCs? D, E, F, G. U, V, W, X. Alright, Y and Z? No? Nothing? Hey, Sammy. Sam. Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Alright, where's your mouth? No, those are your ears. Where's your teeth? Where's your hair? Ah, best friend. Give kisses. Kisses. Where's the kisses? I want to see some kisses. Best friends. Hey. Hey, I want some best friends kisses. Come on.
Mickey Smup. Mickey Smup.
What the heck is Smicky Smup?
It's one time you do this. Mickey Smup.
Alright, I'm going to turn off the camera. Do you have any more songs? You're for real a spaz. You're a spaz. Say peace out.
Peace out.
You give me some thumbs up?
Caca.